Hey everyone, welcome to We Just Love Amazon. So, the Black Friday sales are here. Here is a list of my favorite top Black Friday deals on Amazon. You're not going to want to miss these deals. I guarantee you'll be able to find something for everyone in your family. Let's get into these Amazon Black Friday 2024 deals. First, we're starting off with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's going to be 25% off of its original listing price of $1,420. So you could score this for under $1,100. All right, let's talk about gifts for dads or sons, son-in-laws, or brothers. The DeWalt cordless drill is going to be 38% off, originally listed at $159, and you could get that for only $99. So perfect gift for the men in your life. I myself am a huge fan of the GoPro. This is the latest GoPro, a GoPro Hero 12. Originally listed at $399, and you could score this for $299. That's a 25% off discount, a savings of $100. A7 III is the perfect camera for photographers and videographers looking for versatile, excellent image quality with advanced performance. You could find this amazing deal at a 25% off discount. The current price is $1,498, originally at an almost 2,000 price point. So for this Black Friday deal, you could get it for 25% off, and I also included the link in the description. Perfect for creators, professionals, and entertainment enthusiasts. Amazon is currently offering a discount of 40%. And when I say currently, I mean Black Friday sale, 40%. You could get this for only $315. All right, let's talk about the Apple MacBook Air. This is a 13-inch screen, and let me just start off by saying that I actually have this computer, and it is one of like the best computers for literally everything. I definitely highly recommend it. The current price is almost $1,100, but on Black Friday, you'll be able to get it for 23% off, so about $850. This is definitely a steal. Click the link in the description. You're not going to want to miss this one. So this is not your normal selfie stick. Let me just start off by saying this one is extremely sturdy and it's very functionable. You could literally just put it right in your purse or your book bag. Lightweight, easy to carry, but the most important thing is it's very sturdy. So right now the current list is $139, but on Black Friday you'll be able to get it for only $89. Definitely worth buying. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Fan Edition is designed to give you a premium smartphone without the premium price, if that makes any sense. It's such a great choice for anyone looking for a high performance phone, without breaking the bank. This is a great gift for your kids or teenagers. Next, we have the Beats Studio Buds Plus. So, Amazon is going to be giving a 24% off discount for these uh, earphones, and that's going to bring the total price to $129.99 instead of the list price at $169.95. Next, we have the Beats Studio Buds Plus. So, Amazon is going to be giving Samsung Galaxy Z Fold is amazing. Let's talk about the cool features. A big screen, perfect for gaming, watching videos, or working. Great cameras. It's very durable, and let me mention water resistant. And it's super stylish. It's the perfect phone for multitasking. And it's going to be offered at a 25% off discount for the Black Friday Amazon special. Let's talk about the HP Color LaserJet Pro. This is so perfect because it's lightweight but durable, professional quality, and it offers vivid results, so it boosts your productivity and reliability. You won't have to worry about anything besides loading extra paper with this one. No complicated inks, no complicated cords, no complicated settings. It is the perfect at home or in office laser jet printer. Amazon's also giving it for 20% off. The current price is $449, but on Black Friday, you could get it for $359. All right, I have another pair of JBL Live Pro 2 headphones. These are at a whopping 50% off. It's going to be listed for $74.95 on Amazon for Black Friday. That's 50% off. And these are super high quality and they provide up to 40 hours of playback without having to recharge again. So definitely get these if you're interested in finding a really nice stocking stuffer for your family. Now we have the Garmin Venue SQ2. So this is going to help with tracking your metrics, tracking things like your heart health, your sleep, your hydration. Are you stressed out? It's always on so you can make sure that your stats are visible at all times. This is going to be 40% off on Black Friday. So it's going to be for $149.99 instead of $249.99, which is pretty much $100 saving. Can't beat that. Link is in the description. The JBL Boombox 2 is the ultimate boombox for you. The ultimate boombox is a portable speaker that delivers powerful JBL original sound with deep club-like bass. So it's waterproof and the battery lasts 24 hours. It's nonstop music wherever you go. I love, love, love this product. I think it makes a great gift for anyone, any of the music lovers, any of the people who are traveling and going to the beach. It's the perfect boombox. Definitely check this one out. And it's going to be at a 26% off discount. And Amazon's going to have it for you for $299. There was a time where I was totally against having cameras in your house and outside of your house. I felt like it was an invasion of privacy. However, the Blink Video Doorbell has saved lives. It has helped catch robbers. It has protected your family, and I changed my mind. So you could get this Blink Video Doorbell for 50% off on Black Friday on Amazon. You definitely don't want to miss this one. You could get it for $39.99 only. Link is in the description. All right, so for all my content creators, the Sony ZV-1F is one of the most popular cameras out right now. It's super lightweight. It comes with a autofocus, low light shots, and it includes a 20 millimeter ultra wide lens. This is also touchscreen. And you could see yourself as you're filming. So I love this camera. YouTube is going crazy over this camera, and all the content creators are recommending it. So definitely check out the Sony ZV-1F. And it's going to be 20% off for the Black Friday sale, which will bring the price down to $398. Link is in the description. Next, we have the Philips Sonicare Protective Clean 5300. Amazon's going to have this for a 45% off discount, bringing the price down to only $59.96. This electric toothbrush improves gum health and reduces cavities with its smart pressure sensor and customized cleaning modes. Perfect for everyone in the family who definitely needs a good clean. So if you like the previous Ring doorbell camera, this Ring Stick Up Camera Pro is a total upgrade from that one. It's going to be 50% off on Black Friday and the price will be $89.99. So basically the reason I really like this one is because it's a 3D motion detector with a bird's eye zone. Advanced security features provides a pro level protection. I love this because you won't miss anything with this. It senses movement, it senses, um, you know, it picks up on pretty much everything. It's 3D. So, Love this one. And 50% off, you cannot beat that. Perfect for the inside, perfect for the outside, perfect if you have teenagers and you want to leave them at home, but you also don't trust them. So, this is definitely a great ring camera. I highly recommend this one. Let's talk about the Bose SoundLink Revolve. So, if you know, you know. If you know, you know. Bose has amazing sound. So, this Bluetooth speaker delivers immense 360-degree sound with a deeper bass and a longer battery life for up to 17 hours. Love this one. It's going to be 30% off on Black Friday on Amazon. I put the link in the description and the price is going to be $229 instead of $329. That's a $100 difference. Definitely want to check this one out for all my music lovers. All right, I have another speaker. Don't let this size and this price confuse you because this is compact yet very powerful. So this is the Sony SR-SX-B13B. It's going to have a 37% off discount, bringing the price from $60 to $38. This is so perfect. You could literally put it in your book bag, and there's a 16-hour battery life on it. So don't let the small price confuse you with the powerful sound. Link is in the description. This is a perfect gift for your young ones and your teenagers. It's the Gore-Tex, sorry, excuse me, the Got-Rex GXL-V2. So this one right here is a 250 watt motor scooter. It is an electric scooter that offers the speed of about 15 miles per hour and a range of 9 miles. So, if you have young ones who live about 2 miles from school, have them take the scooter to school, have them lock it up at the school, and then they could come home on the scooter. It's electric, it's lightweight, and it is powerful. So, this is going to be 30% off, bringing the price from $350 to 245. You're not going to want to miss this one because 30% off discount on this scooter is definitely a really good price. Next, we have the LG Ultra Gear OLED. This is going to be a 45-inch TV with this beautiful curve. It's perfect for gamers. Like it has sharp visuals and near instantaneous response, delivering a competitive edge for gamers. And Amazon's going to have it for a 41% off discount. Do you know what that means? You're going to save about $700 on this TV. The link is in the description. You're going to be able to get this TV for less than $1,000. Click the link. All right, my coffee, latte, espresso lovers, I'm going to say one thing about this. Get this for your wife, period. The DeLonghi Magnifica Evo. Amazon's going to have it at almost a 40% off discount for Black Friday. So it's like a one touch recipe coffee lover, cafe, espresso, latte machine. And all I have to say is your wife will love this. Bringing the price down from $900 to $549. You're not going to want to miss this one because to have a 39% off discount for a machine that, Starbucks would pay thousands of dollars for is huge. Definitely click the link in the description for this. Next, we have the iRobot Roomba Vac. I have this, I love it, and I use it all the time. Amazon's going to have it for a 44% off discount for Black Friday. So that's bringing the price from $250 to $140. You can't beat the price. You will not regret this purchase. This is literally one of those purchases that you buy and you use it like forever. And it's definitely saves you so much cleaning time and it works amazing. So definitely check this one out. I posted the link in the description. Well, everyone, that concludes our video on the top Black Friday tech sales on Amazon. Definitely go to the description, check out all those links, save all those products to your favorite list, and get them on Black Friday. The Black Friday that Amazon is having, you're not going to want to miss these deals. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share these products because I know that you can find something for everyone in your family. So God bless you guys. Have a wonderful holiday. And if you want me to do more videos like this, just let me know. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.